And the live is not so easy with that. And that's how it is. Okay, so let's see if we can get on the boardwalk a little bit. And it might pop in and out. All right, let's go. Seaside Heights feels good down here. All right, all right, all right, all right. Got some 50 Cent. All right, so jumping up here. It feels good being out here. Super awesome. Jersey Shore and his house. So we're just gonna walk around randomly for a little while. Yeah, there's some people here. And I believe the beach is free, so we should be able to get on the beach. So you probably will see some beach videos if it is free. Don't quote me, but I am pretty sure it is free today, the beach. So we're in a good spot there. Oh yeah, and his house. Seaside Heights and his house. And one of the reasons I wanted to get here a little earlier is the sun hits better from when it's up higher. But we're okay. It's not a big deal.
Always almost.
And I've been mentioning for the 4K Pocket 3 videos, the new style on the channels is the realism. We're moving away from cinematic, and I just want to make it as real as possible. So I do like to mention that right now, because it's still, I mean, I've been trying to work on that for a while, but I think we're pretty dialed in. So I just wanted to mention that real quick. Let's go. Seaside Heights, bro. Seaside Heights, bro. So yeah, we're just strolling around randomly today. Just a random stroll. You see back there, the amusement park, all of that. Gonna hit up all of that later. Did Point Pleasant last week, and honestly, this is a step up from Point Pleasant. I like Point Pleasant a lot. It's closer to me, but as far as space and free, like more, you get more here at Seaside, and it's busy. It's pretty busy today. Not bad. Not bad today. It's pretty busy. So Seaside Heights in his house. A lot of great bars. A lot of great food. You got the meatballs, cheesesteaks, pizza. You got the ice cream. Seriously, so cool. Let's do like a panoramic here so you guys can see around here. But yeah, this is legit today. I was thinking about North Jersey today, but the parking, Sunday is my day for North Jersey mostly because of the parking. The parking is just so much better for Sundays in North Jersey. At the moment, I mean, you know, things can change with parking, but who knows at the moment, I'm saying. See, we're living it up. Living La Vida Loca. So yeah, this is a cool spot right here. The French fries, funnel cakes, hamburgers. We got everything here. The sausage. I don't see any pizza here. French fries. Oh yeah, French fries. Can't forget the French fries. Got the Three Brothers pizza right here from Italy. There's, I think, 3 of them. Last year there was 3 of them here. So there could be this year also 3 of those pizza spots.
No, I did not come here.
There's a few good, very good pizza spots here. But my favorite is, hey, what's up? How are you?
Hey, what's your name?
Good, Brian.
Brian, do you have anything you want to plug?
Oh, I'll give you my YouTube card.
Yeah, I'll give you mine.
Cool. Yeah, I'm Brian Pibry. which is BRYAN PIBRY.
Cool.
And I have POV, Pibry POV too. Let me give you a...
Yeah, YouTube and Twitch.
Oh, cool, brother. Here, let's exchange.
Yeah, hell yeah.
What's your name?
Nightcast.
Nightcast?
Well, Nightcast Walks.
Okay, on YouTube?
Twitch, and Kick. Yeah.
Nice, brother.
Yeah.
That's cool. Great day to be here, man.
Oh yeah, man. Hard to tell though.
Yeah, I got POV I've been doing for a while, and now I'm doing Brian Pibry too. So this is Brian, this is probably POV.
That's, nice.
Yeah, I put the
Pocket,
little big guy.
That's cool, man.
HLG, brother.
Cool. Nice.
I don't know about the new cameras yet. I like the HLG.
It's awesome though. I love
Yeah. Oh, it's great, man. Pocket 3 changed the game.
Hell yeah, bro.
That's my dude, little big guy.
Big bucks, so the street too.
Cool. Yeah, brother. Peace. Nice meeting you. Cool. So we got another streamer here. That's cool. Nightcast. Definitely check them out. Twitch and YouTube. Yeah, I was mentioning the new cameras. There's the Pocket 4 out, and then there's also the Insta360 Luna. And I'm still debating Pocket 4. I don't really need it because they don't have the Yo, what up? They don't have the HDR. So anyway, you get some characters. That's cool. So yeah, they don't have the HDR on the new one, the Pocket 4. Anyway, I don't want to get too in the weeds, but I mentioned it to him, so. But the Insta360 Luna, I'm looking at it. They got Dolby Vision. We'll see. But is it going to be better than what we're doing now with the HLG? I don't know. For realism. But anyway, let's go. Seaside Heights. Seaside Heights into his house. Seaside Heights. Glad I'm not the only streamer down here. You know, it's not a big deal if I am, but it's cool to see another streamer. You know what I mean? It's cool to run into your colleagues. No doubt. And I try to keep different angles on both cameras. That's just part of the game. So you get a different experience with both of the cameras. When I do a live stream, I like to do the 4K at the same time because live streams are very low quality compared to the Pocket 3 4K or like a regular camera 4K because you're transmitting live streams. And you see it's actually cutting out a little bit right now.
I suck at basketball. I really suck.
But there we go, it's back on the live stream, the live transmission. But yeah, I was saying, I don't know if it got caught there because it was off. The live stream quality on live streams is not the same as like a shooting from a camera. So like a regular camera on like a 4K camera. Our little big guy, I'll show you. LBG. So I keep different angles, different experiences. The live streams are great, but they're not a good standalone. That's the reasoning here. That is the reasoning. House of Fries. House of Fries is better than House of Flies, right? We like House of Fries. It's a great day down here today. Everybody having a good time, good time. cool bar right there. They got like an upstairs. I'll show you. You can see right there. Beachcomber. It's called the Beachcomber. Yeah, it's super cool, super cool. See, we're rocking out.
Oh, you're getting kicked out.
Wow, I wonder what's going on over here. Probably putting something there.
They're all using it.
Feels great down here. No humidity. I mean, it just feels awesome. Can't complain about the weather today. All right, let's go, let's go. Rocking out, rocking out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, the transmission on the live stream's a little slow. Might be a little choppy. Part of the game. Fun Tower Beach entrance. Is this new? Maybe not, but it's so wide open here that it looks new to me. I'm not sure. I don't recognize that, but I'm sure it was. It was probably there last year. Seaside Heights into his house, 2026. Okay, the frozen sandbar right there. It's a sandbar. Frozen sandbar drinks. Good times, good times. They have bands here a lot. They probably have a band coming in, maybe. Yeah, it looks like they have a band setting up right now. So they got a band over there. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Look at nice and sunny today. So awesome. We got some incredible weather. So that's super cool, super cool. Let's stroll back over this way a little bit. Yeah, anyone who's not subscribed would be appreciated if you could subscribe. Helps us out a lot. We do walking videos, New York, New Jersey, all the cool spots. All right, Seaside Heights 2026, June 2026. We can hit up the beach today. Actually, I think so. The beach is open. I think it's free, or is there? Oh, there's charges right now. Okay. All right. You guys charging for the beach today, or?
10 minutes is free.
Oh, okay. Okay. That sounds good. So at 5 o'clock, it's free. I don't know if that's regular, normal time, but today it is. It's free in 10 minutes, the beach. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So let's cruise down here a little bit. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Feels good, the breeze today. Nice ocean air here. So yeah, she said 10 more minutes, the beach is free, so there more than likely will be some beach videos coming today. Seaside Heights in his house.